Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. It is 8:30 in the morning. I know it's probably the earliest I've ever started a quarantine vlog, but today is a filming day and I thought I would film a filming day because every other day when it's not a filming day is just like the same, and I've done way too many of those, so I thought I would spice things up. I film twice a week, once for Instagram and once for YouTube. Today is a YouTube filming day. I'm gonna be filming a lot of YouTube videos today. So yeah, let's just get started with today's vlog. So today's to-do list is quite straightforward. We have to film some YouTube content, film the vlog, which I'm doing right now. I'm also gonna like trim my hair a little bit. I need to do a DIY project, which I will of course share it with you guys. And I want to make a caramel pudding, sort of a dessert. I've been meaning to do it for a while, so let's just do it today. So I think I'm just gonna get started, do my makeup, do my hair, and I'll see you on the flip side. I'm back. Done with my makeup. If only doing your makeup was this easy. I spent close to 2 hours doing my makeup. I usually don't take this long, but I'm cramping. I'm on my period, so I'm a little bit slow today. I also prepped my wardrobe, laid all of my clothes out. By the way, if you're wondering about my makeup and if you want like a makeup breakdown, my last video was a complete makeup tutorial on how I do my everyday makeup look, so do check it out. I'll link it in the description box below. And also another thing, if you're interested in seeing like a routine, filming day routine, I have an entire dedicated video on that. I know, me and my crazy routines, but I'm really proud of that video. It's a really well shot and well edited video. It's a really fun one. Do check that one out as well. But I'm done plugging all of my videos in. I'm gonna go pick out an outfit. Actually no, before that I need to go set up everything because my room's a mess, so let's just figure that out.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into.
So I know it's not lunch time, but the rotis are ready, so I'm gonna have my lunch because I love hot rotis and it's such a privilege to have like sabzi with like garam roti. So gonna have my lunch super early today. Okay, so done with the setup. Everything looks good. Done with my hair, changed into like an outfit. Of course I'm still wearing PJs niche. Also did my nails. I like to always do my nails when I'm filming. It just makes me feel a little bit better. So okay, I'm done with everything. I'm just gonna start filming now. Hi everyone, my name is Mridu and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so I just got done filming 3 videos. My throat hurts so badly, of course, so I'm gonna go grab some hot water to drink. And I'm also like considering doing this thing wherein for example, if I were to shoot today, tomorrow I'll take like a Maun Vrat. I know it seems so like dramatic, but my throat hurts so badly wherein I feel like I need to give myself that one day off where I don't talk at all. Still considering if I should or shouldn't do that, but anyway, other than my throat, my stomach also hurts so badly. I'm on my period. I think I mentioned that earlier sometime today. So I'm just gonna go and take a nap and then I'll come back, and then I do need to take some Instagram pictures because I have so much of makeup on. I don't want to waste, you know, so much of makeup, so I will come back and take some pictures, but definitely need a nap for sure.
1 hour later.
So I'm back. I'm done with filming finally. It was such a long and slow day, but I'm finally done. I took like a really quick body shower, and I do this like kind of ritual every time I'm done filming. So I'll do a face mask obviously because I've been wearing so much makeup, heavy makeup, and I just need something to like absorb all the oils and just make it more even. So I do that, and then I've also started doing a hair mask. If you watched my lockdown favorites, you might have heard me talking about how I've like really gotten into hair care, and I mentioned my favorite hair masks, and one of those was the Ektes Kerolution hair mask. Okay, so every time I do a hair mask, I have to wet my hair just so that the hair mask like absorbs everything properly, and I also tie a ponytail so that I don't touch the hair mask on my root. As you can see, I've been using this hair mask for a while at this point, and There's very little left. I'm gonna take like a palm-sized amount because I do have pretty long hair, and then I just concentrate this on the length of my hair, specifically the end. Make sure you massage it properly so that every strand is nourished with the hair mask. Now all the ingredients in this hair mask are natural. The main ingredient is argan oil, which is I think what really helps me with my damaged ends, because argan oil is a fabulous moisturizer. Other than that, it also has amla, which is actually considered like a superfood for your hair, so it helps me achieve that soft and shiny hair look. Other than that, there are so many amazing ingredients. I'm just gonna name a few, like rose water, henna, methi, almond oil, tulsi, and so much more. I think the main thing that really helps me with like the reconstruction of the hair and just like the overall feel of healthy and shiny hair is the keratin and the biotin. So keratin is a protective protein that makes hair more damage resistant, and it also helps repair hair that has been dried out because of heat and hair dye. Whereas biotin, which is vitamin B, also known as vitamin B7, helps improve the keratin infrastructure. By the way, there's a super sale going on Amazon on this product, so you guys have to check it out. I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box below. Go ahead and get this amazing hair mask for yourself. So I'm done with the application. As you can see, I've tied a braid in my hair, and I'm gonna leave it in for maybe like 20-25 minutes. You could leave it on for just like 15 minutes and be good to go. I'll show you what my hair looks like after that. You're gonna be shook. It's like so shiny and just so soft. Okay, once I'm done with this like mini self-care session, I feel like in every video I'm doing like these self-care sessions, but I think it's great. While all of this is like drying, I think I'm gonna go on and work on my DIY project that I was talking to you guys about. I'm really excited about it. I've been like meaning to do it for a while, but I thought I would like share it with you guys on a vlog. So we'll do that next. Okay, so here I have this transparent cover for my laptop. I've been meaning to do like that sticker aesthetic, you know, where people like stick stickers on their laptop, but I did not want to do it directly on top of the laptop, so I got these transparent covers. So this is for the front, this is for the back, and I just like dug out a bunch of stickers that I had in my collection. You guys know I love stationery, so I just like dug all of these old stickers that I've been saving for no reason. Today finally I'm gonna use them.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks.
Guess what? The laptop cover doesn't fit my laptop. I don't know how. I like measured my laptop also like before ordering it. Probably like they've messed up. So that's great. That's such a great fail for today. I don't even know what to say, because today I was supposed to film like I think 5 videos, and I only ended up filming like 3 because I had to take the nap beach mein, and then my stomach kept paining, and now this is a fail. Great vlog content, I must say. I'm so upset, but it's okay. I'll just place an order for another size and then we could do it in another vlog. But I was so excited to like just see the whole thing coming together, but I guess it's not for today. So I'm just gonna move on with the day, rinse out my face mask and my hair mask, and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, I'm done. Finally something that wasn't a fail. I love the way my skin looks because of the face mask. You guys know I'm obsessed with face masks, but also the hair mask. You can't really see like the shine obviously because it's wet, so I'm gonna insert like a clip of my hair, what it looks like when it's dried. It honestly looks so shiny and so healthy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'm gonna make sure to of course link the hair mask as well in the description box below. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the dessert first, the caramel custard. I mean, उसमें कुछ बनाने जैसा है नहीं as such, but it's like a packet made thing. I just have to boil it and then freeze it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go do that first, and then I'm gonna start prepping dinner. So for today's dinner, I'm gonna be trying out Anam's butter garlic mushrooms in cheesy sauce recipe. I've been meaning to try it for the longest time, but I've never gotten around to doing it. So I think a week ago I ordered the Ragu's sauce from Amazon, which is the sauce that she uses for the recipe. So I'm gonna be using that to prepare the cheesy sauce thing, cheesy sauce recipe, cheesy recipe. I'm really excited because I love cheese. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Sache ke much. Finally done with dinner and also the dessert. I will highly recommend you guys to try both the things out. So for the dinner, if you don't like have the same sauce, that's okay. Just have some like regular Amul cheese grated, add some milk and also some butter. It's gonna create like the same saucy effect. And talking about the dessert, I feel like most people might have like tried it at home. For some reason I had never tried to make caramel pudding or like custard at home, even though it's like one of my favorite desserts. I don't know why I didn't try it, but I'm hooked. I'm gonna space it out and try not to consume all the 4 like remaining packets in a week. We'll see how that goes, but I'm considering what to do next. My to-do list. Oh yeah, I need to trim my hair. Let's do that. Let's just trim my hair really quickly. Okay, so my hair's combed. I'm gonna make sure to link a hair cutting video in the description box below, because right now I'm just like gonna trim. By the way, I was like thinking of trimming it like till here. That's not a trim, that's like a haircut. But after being so good with my hair care and hair masking routine, my hair is so nice and so soft and it doesn't feel damaged. So I don't think I'm gonna cut utna zyada. I'm just gonna do maybe itna, like an inch maybe. By the way, I was considering thode time pehle ki I'm not gonna upload this vlog because nothing went according to how I wanted it to go, like how I planned it basically. But again, I don't want to portray like a perfect life, because a lot of you comment saying that I have such a perfect life and everything's so perfect, which is not true at all. So I most definitely don't want to portray that. So I'm gonna upload this video for sure. I'm gonna like try to like spice it up in like post production, like editing. I'm gonna try to make it cute. Let's see how that goes. I just like, that's my fear, that the video shouldn't be boring. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below, like always. I'm just gonna like continue cutting my hair. And also, oh, one more thing I wanted to address, in fact 2 more things. So the first one being the accidental video that I uploaded titled Hailey 2, I believe. Yeah, that was an accidental video. It was footage from Hailey and my collab, and I just uploaded it on unlisted because I wanted Hailey to be able to download the footage. But then somehow I made it public and a lot of you guys saw it. But it's okay, I mean a lot of you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, just wanted to clear it up कि हाँ वो by mistake ही था upload. और उसके अलावा last few vlogs में I'm getting comments saying कि why are your parents not in your vlogs, and secondly, do you live alone? No, I don't live alone. I live with my parents in my parents' house. The reason why they're not in my vlogs is because they're not dressed to be in a vlog, you know what I mean? Like that's what they think. They don't feel like they're dressed appropriately, or they don't feel like they look put together, and they don't want to be on a vlog. So yeah, I respect that and don't film them. I just film myself, mostly in my room. Yeah, that's what. So that's all the hair that we've trimmed off for today. Okay, so I want to start this segment wherein I shout out 2 local brands in each vlog. I'm gonna try to do it in each vlog because I feel like I have such a big platform, all thanks to you guys, and I want to show love to all these beautiful, amazing local brands. So I'm gonna start off with 2 of my favorite brands which I talk about quite a lot. You might have heard me talking about them. The first one are November Bond Designs. I'm actually wearing their PJs and I wear their PJs 99% of the time. If you're wondering where are my PJs from, it is from them. So I have a few new ones. The first one is this really cool floral print. The second one is this Shiba print in like a pink base. By the way, they are a little bit wrinkly. They just got out of the laundry. And the last one that we have is this like very Ranveer Singh inspired PJ set. I don't know why, it just reminds me of him. It's very out there. It says love, love, love all over it. I think they're really cool. Very not my style, but I thought I would give it a shot. The second brand is called Oshri. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have heard me talking about them. So they make the most beautiful jewelry. If you're looking for Indian, or for that matter even like Western jewelry, but on a budget, definitely check them out. Just look at this choker. I can't wait to try this on and like take pictures. It's really pretty. They also sent me another choker, some earrings, one more pair of earrings, and these hoops. So you guys know I love hoops, but this has a little bit more to it. I think this is like rose quartz here in the center. So cool. So those were the two brands for today. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. Go show them some love. I'm gonna make sure to link their profiles in the description box below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I just spent like an hour editing and going through all the footage from today's video. I think it's okay. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. You guys know me, I'm like way too self-critical of my own work. But if you guys want me, I'll keep doing these day in my life vlogs. That's about it. Good night, stay safe, stay at home, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.